Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account with FX Primus. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's get started. FX Primus is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices and futures. Their accounts feature standard, premium, and VIP accounts with daily market outlooks, SMS alerts, one-on-one consultations, and more. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on the chat button at the bottom right of the home screen here. Submit your information and your message. A support representative will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account with FX Primus. Firstly, head over to their website at fxprimus.com. On the home page here, on the top left of the page, click on the Trading panel, and then under Accounts, you will see Demo Account. Click on Demo Account. Submit your personal information such as your name, email address, country of residence, and your phone number. After you have registered your account, you should easily see your account login credentials on the same page. What you'll want to do next is download and install the MetaTrader platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4 for your preferred operating system. After you have installed the MetaTrader platform, simply click on the Primus Practice server and then log in to an existing trade account. Next, log in with the information that was displayed on the page after you registered your demo account. And just like that, we're in. This is an FX Primus demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either line, candlestick, or bar charts. You can zoom in and out of the selected chart window with the magnifying glass buttons on the right side of the chart types buttons. To open a selected chart window into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button on the top right of the selected chart window. At the top left of the chart window here, we can see our quick buy and sell or one-click trading option. This is where you can make quick buy and sell orders on the selected trading instrument directly from the chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our market watch. This displays all the currency pairs which FX Primus provides. If you wish to open an individual buy and sell order window for your preferred pair, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on New Order. This will then open a separate buy and sell order window which displays some additional information and its own line chart. To add a preferred currency pair into its own chart window, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on Chart Window. This will then add the pair into its own chart in the center of the dashboard here. To add a one-click trading option to your newly added chart, simply right-click anywhere on the chart and click on OneClick Trading. This will then add the quick buy and sell order window to the new chart. And at the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see all the currency pairs which we have added into their own chart windows. You can easily switch between these pairs from right here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help button at the top left of the dashboard here. This will then display a few video tutorials and a Help Topic Center, which delves into various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started. FX Primus also features their very own education center, which provides weekly analytical trading news, seminars, and free video beginner guides for you to browse through as you please. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider educating yourself in the various Forex trading strategies, which have proven to be successful in everyday trading activities. Some of these strategies you could consider looking into include the Blade Runner trade strategy, daily Fibonacci pivot trade, Bolly Band bounce trade, Forex overlapping Fibonacci trade, and trading the Forex fractal. Educating yourself in the various trading strategies that have proven to be successful might give you some insight into your own method and strategy. One key point here is to consider broadening your trading education through the various terminologies, strategies, and methods that have proven to make some decent profit returns. Keep in mind that because the Forex marketplace is extremely volatile and constantly evolving, these strategies may not work all of the time. However, having a deeper understanding in the various methods of trade can be one step closer in becoming a more successful individual trader. And that's how to open a demo account on FX Primus. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. And as always, good luck.